Hello! Today I'm gonna be doing a video on a couple things I bought from Ulta last night. I bought two things. So yeah, it's not really a haul video, but it's like a maybe first impressions haul, whatever you want to call it. But let's jump right in. So this is the first new item I'll be using. My face is already primed and everything. It's the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. I got the matte one and I got the color medium neutral. I'm like so basic. Literally my color is medium neutral. Could you get any more basic? Well, I'm just gonna dive right in. Let's see how this sucker works. Obviously I have some pretty bad acne right now, so we'll see if it covers it. Yeah, this foundation did not really get the best reviews from what I've seen, but yeah, this appeared to be like the best thing that Ulta location was selling. They didn't have much. I was gonna get the Estee Lauder foundation, but they didn't have it. So yeah, maybe next time, guys, you'll see a Estee Lauder review soon enough. So yeah, I'm blending it out with the Y6 brush. Could this lighting be any worse right now? Like, I don't know what to do. Alright, I'm just gonna go right in, blend. Oh, also I washed my brushes last night. They well needed it. I bought the little Beauty Blender solid brush cleaner thing. It worked really well. Like, it's the best brush cleaner I've ever used. I was very pleased with how easy it was to actually clean my brushes. Like, a lot of the times I'll be sitting there for like fucking 10 minutes working on one brush, and it gets very frustrating when you have like a full set of brushes to clean. It's like, I'm gonna be here all night. But I cleaned like maybe 10 or so brushes in like, woo! It was in like 10 or 15 minutes, so yeah. This shade appears to be covering very well. I did get kind of a shade a little too dark for me, just because it's like the beginning of summer, and I know like I'm going to an amusement park today. Well, this weekend I'm like going out of town, but yeah, I'm looking forward to getting a tan, so hopefully this shade will match me in like a week or so. Till then, I'm just gonna blend it down my neck. Yeah, I mean, this is my first time wearing it. It looks pretty good. I mean, it covered pretty much everything it can cover. Yeah, it looks really good. It's not too matte. I like it a lot. I don't see why anyone was complaining about this. I mean, maybe, I don't know, maybe it doesn't last through the day. We'll see. I guess I'll check back in and let you guys know how it wears. But as of now, yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about this foundation. Okay, the next thing that I wanted to do is see how the Tarte foundation works with the Tarte concealer. So I'm gonna put on some concealer and see how they look together. I'm like super excited to do this. Like, hold up, can we just like, matching bottles makes me so happy. I'm so excited to do this. When this foundation first came out, I was like really excited to get it, and then like I went in this Ulta and I was like, hey, do you guys have like the Shape Tape foundation yet? And the lady was like, no, we haven't got it in yet. It'll be in probably like later this week or whatever, blah, 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 you know. And then she's telling me, she's like, yeah, this foundation sucks. I don't think you should buy it. Like, if it's like if you just took a Shape Tape concealer and just put it all over your face. I don't know. Like, she just told me that it sucked. And I'm like, I was excited to buy this foundation. Why did you have to ruin it for me? And I ended up actually not buying it until now. But I'm glad that I did because I'm like super excited. So I'm gonna blend this out with a beauty blender, I think. Yeah, my concealer brush is still wet from being washed. So that's fine. I don't think this is gonna alter my opinion at all. I bounce back from beauty blender and brush. I don't really use one or the other every single day. Is that weird? Am I the only one that does that? Like, I feel like everyone else has like a makeup routine. Like, they do this every day. They use the same brushes. They do the same. I don't know. I'm crazy. I do something new every day. So if you like that, then come back to my channel. But yeah, I'll always be keeping you entertained, I guess. Or I'll try. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know if this is just the lighting, but the color looks a little weird. Oh, yeah, it was just the lighting. Okay, yeah, it's pretty. False alarm, you guys. I don't know what was up with that, but I'm gonna turn off this light so you can actually, you know, see me. Do you guys see this freaking pimple? I'm like so agitated. I've never had this much acne in my life. But yeah, I'm gonna do some more makeup and then I'll come back when I'm ready to review the next product. Okay, I have basically completed my makeup. I'm missing one thing. Can you guess what it is? It's highlighter. I'm using the Becca highlighter. I got Opal. Yeah, I bought like this little set. It's like a mini highlighter, tiny little thing, and like a liquid little highlighting wand. So I'm gonna try it out. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this isn't really a first impression. I kind of tried it out already last night when I got home, but it's a second impressions. All right, close enough. Now how I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna put it on my fan brush and just yeah, I feel that if you put it directly on your skin, it just looks, I don't know. Well, I've never used this one specifically, but other liquid highlighters I've had experience with, it tends to slide your makeup around. It's just not pretty. So yeah, this looks very good. Honestly, I feel like I could just like directly apply this to my skin and it'd be fine. That's how good it looks. But I didn't test it out, so don't take my word for it. But yeah, I like it a lot. Matter of fact, I'm the queen of dropping stuff, you guys. Okay, I'm like so clumsy. But yeah, I'm gonna put it directly on my nose just to see. Almost ready? Yeah. So yeah, that looks very good. I like it a lot. Man, didn't anything too bad. I mean, it highlighted my nose. It didn't do anything it's not supposed to, so I'm happy. Yeah, I mixed up the colors actually. I meant to get a moonstone, but I couldn't remember which shade I was, and it was like in this pre-packaged box. So this is a little dark for me, but hey, it is summer, so we'll be okay. Actually, no, it's not. It was a few months ago when I tried it out, but this looks good. It's not too dark for me at all. I'm surprised, like in the pan, it looks really dark. Here, let me see if I can get it to focus. Okay, no, it's not gonna focus, but it looks pretty dark in the pan. I love it. I love this highlighter. I look like a little glazed donut. So case closed. The Becca highlighter is a win. The Tarte Shape Tape foundation is also a win for me. I will be checking back in and letting you guys know how it wears throughout the day. So in my next video, just listen out for that. I'll slide it in, whatever the video is. I don't really want to dedicate a whole video to that because it'll be like a 2-minute video. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you really, really liked it, then subscribe. And yeah, goodbye.